We are in the middle of a technological earthquake right now. And the craziest part is, most people don't even feel the ground shaking yet.
50%. I want you to remember that number. It's not just some statistic, it is a tidal wave that's about to reshape our entire world. Yeah, that's right. According to a Gallup poll, half of the US workforce is already using AI on the job. We're talking your colleagues, your neighbors, maybe even you. The future isn't coming, it's already here, just kind of hiding in plain sight. But here's the twist. This AI tsunami is creating a destructive wave that insiders are calling the SaaS-pocalypse, and it is coming for the software you use every single day. Stick with me, and I'm going to show you exactly what that is and how to prepare for it. Okay, so to really see the threat clearly, you have to understand the sheer, just mind-boggling scale of this AI gold rush. This isn't just a trend. It's a full-on digital land grab, and it's being fueled by staggering amounts of cash, ambition, and pure computational muscle. At the very top, it is an absolute arms race. You've got OpenAI's latest model, which is 40% smarter and can process the equivalent of like 15 novels in a single thought. Then, not to be outdone, you have Anthropic's new AI, which is just shattering records in its ability to write code. I mean, the pace it's breathtaking. And this whole software arms race, it's driving a hardware explosion. And the price tag? Well, just take a look at this. $68.1 billion. That's what NVIDIA made in one single quarter, just by selling the digital picks and shovels for this gold rush. The demand for AI firepower isn't just high, it is absolutely insatiable. But here's where it gets really interesting. The biggest players aren't just buying chips anymore. Oh no, they are building their own AI empires. And the scale is, well, it's kind of terrifying. Look at this target, 1 gigawatt. That's the amount of power Meta plans to pour into its own in-house AI chips. We are no longer talking about server racks here, right? We are talking about computing infrastructure on the scale of an entire city's power grid. This is what it takes to even compete now. So, you've got this AI tsunami building up offshore. What do you think happens when it finally slams into the coast of the traditional software industry? I'll tell you what happens. Pure chaos. An existential crisis for a market worth trillions. And this, right here, is the heart of that SaaS apocalypse. The idea is actually pretty simple, but its implications are absolutely devastating. AI agents are getting so incredibly smart, they can just do the jobs of expensive software, which shatters the business model that's ruled tech for the last 20 years. And hey, if you think I'm being a little dramatic, just listen to this. Forrester Research, a firm that gets paid to be sober and objective, put it this way, and I quote, "SaaS as we know it is dead." When a company like that says something so bold, you know a revolution is already here. This is the battleground. On the left, you've got the old world. You pay for a license, a seat for a human to use the software. But look at the new reality on the right. AI agents just do the work, which leads to the trillion-dollar question. Why on earth would you pay for a seat at the table when you only need to pay for the final dish? So this crisis is forcing a radical adaptation. The companies that win in this new world, they're not going to be the ones selling software seats. Nope. They'll be the ones hiring a whole new kind of employee, a tireless, autonomous, digital workforce of AI agents. So how does this new workforce even get deployed? Well, first, they automate all the repetitive stuff, like IT support. Then they start building custom tools for you right on the fly. But that final step, that is the real game changer. The AI literally becomes the user, operating software all on its own, with no human required at all. And look, this is not just a theory. The proof is right here in the numbers. Check this out. 80%. According to a report from Automation Anywhere, that's the percentage of IT service requests that are already being automatically resolved by AI agents at dozens of big companies. Think about that. For 4 out of every 5 problems, a human is completely out of the loop. And that incredible efficiency, it has a very direct consequence. And this next number is the one that sends a cold shiver down the spine of every single traditional software CEO out there. 50%. That's how much companies are saving on software licenses by deploying these agents. I mean, when you can literally slash your bill in half, the old per-seat model, it doesn't just get pressured, it gets absolutely vaporized. So what does this all mean for you? This isn't just some abstract tech trend we're talking about. This is a fundamental shift in how business itself works. The tsunami isn't coming for you. You are already in the water. So let's just connect all the dots here. A new digital workforce of AI agents is rising. They are triggering the SaaS-pocalypse by forcing companies to pay for results, not for seats. This is pushing businesses to build their own custom AI tools instead of buying software off the shelf. And the most important part of all of this is not a future trend. It is happening right now.
Which leads us to the big question for you. I want you to really think about your own job. What is that one single repetitive task you do that you think an AI agent could just take off your plate forever? Go ahead and drop your answer in the comments below. I am genuinely curious to see what you all come up with.